Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial video, I will show you exactly how you can schedule emails to send via Microsoft Outlook. It is super simple and I'm going to guide you through this step by step, so make sure you keep watching. Now, in the first step, head over to Outlook, log into your Microsoft Outlook account, and to access your inbox, guys, click on that icon here in the top left corner and select Outlook as the Microsoft powered application you would like to use. And next, guys, click on that button below, new email, to start a new email. After that, enter your recipient's email address here, submit a subject below, like, I don't know, XYZ, 123 test, and so on and so forth. And below that, start typing your email. And once you're ready to send your email, click on that button here above, send. Or alternatively, guys, if you'd like to send that email later at some point, click on that arrow down icon here and select schedule send. And after that, select a date you would like to schedule the send. Like, for example, tomorrow morning, 8 a.m. in the morning, or Sunday morning. Or you can choose a custom time by clicking on that button here. Like, I don't know, Monday to Friday, or Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, and so on and so forth. And yeah, simply select the date you would like to schedule. And that's basically it, guys. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic day.